friends, welcome to Sudha's Veg Recipes. Today I'll be showing you the recipe of instant suji dhokla, which I will be making in double color. So for this I have taken 2 cups of suji over here. I'm keeping this in a bowl, and 1 cup of curd and 1 cup of water. Also we'll mix salt to taste and give this a nice mix. A lumpy mixture is ready. Now set this aside for 10 minutes so that the suji soaks the water and curd well. Now by the time the batter is getting ready, I am keeping a pan here as a boiler for steaming the dhoklas. The suji is soaked well, so now I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar to this. Because the curd was very sour, you can skip this if your curd is fresh. Also the consistency should be like this, thick but flowing. So if your suji is of coarse variety, you may add 1 more tablespoon of water to this. Also I am adding 1 finely chopped green chilli and crushed black pepper to this. And now our batter is ready. Let's mix 1 sachet of ENO. If you don't have ENO, you can use baking soda. Mix this well. The batter has become fluffy. Now, approximately 1/3 of this batter we will take out in this other bowl. Because we are making double color dhoklas, so in this 1/3 of batter I am going to add turmeric. So let us add about half a teaspoon of turmeric to this batter and mix this well. Now grease any tin. You can take the cooker separator or cake tin, and to this add a thin layer of this yellow mixture. So the bottom layer will be yellow colored. That's it, not much. And this goes into the steamer, which is ready. Just for 2 minutes so that it settles slightly. So it's 2 minutes. Let's check. This has settled partially. Now I'll add a layer of this white batter. Spread this evenly, and now let's steam it for another 5 minutes. Keep the flame medium. Let's check on this. Knife comes clean, so dhokla has steamed well. Let us take it out of the steamer pan. Our dhokla has cooled down now, so let's do a tempering. Spread some chili powder. If you don't want this, then you can skip. You can also use black pepper powder. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a tadka pan. Once the oil is hot, let's add some asafoetida or hing powder, some cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Once they splutter, I'll add some green chilli, large pieces, 1-inch pieces, and they are not of hot variety, so they'll just add flavor to the tadka. The tempering is ready. Get the tempering pan over the dhoklas and add the chilies and quickly pour the tempering over the dhoklas. We can cut the dhoklas now. You can cut into any shape that you like, squares or diamond, or you can use cookie cutter to get various shapes. Let's rest for 2 more minutes and then we'll take out the dhoklas. Garnish the dhoklas with some grated coconut. Also some coriander powder if you have, coriander leaves if you have and if you want. Now let's remove the dhoklas from the pan. Run your knife along the corners and they will come out easily. So our double color dhoklas are ready. They are yellow on one side and white on the other. So our delicious instant double color rava dhoklas are ready. They are complete by themselves. You don't need any chutney or anything. But if you want, you can enjoy them with tomato ketchup or green chutney or any chutney of your choice. I'm sure you will like this recipe. Please post your comments and do share with your friends. Subscribe my channel. See you with more recipes next time. Bye.